What's up, YouTube? Back in another video. Today we're gonna be playing Animal Company with... Bruh. Shut up. Keep playing around. Give me this radio. Yoink! Stop playing with me. Anyways, we're gonna be going to sewers and Haunted Mansion with this guy. I will be popping his YouTube in the screen right now. And if you guys don't like and subscribe to him or me, I will kill him. I will kill him. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and grab our stuff. And we're going to go ahead and go. Let's do this thing. I need to put this radio in my bag. Here we go. Oh my gosh, bro's dying. Bruh.
I have tuberculosis.
Yeah, brother, I can tell. I can fucking tell.
I know. You can have that one. I just got smashed. Where the fuck did he go?
Hey, bro, can I have a grappler?
Did I just get scanned? Oh, no, I didn't. I'm just stupid. You know.
No. Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh, okay. Thank you, bro. Let's, Brother, look, I have no money. I'm poor. Look, I'm poor.
Is that 98?
Yeah.
Bro, I have 2 million, bro.
I need to make money like you, but this pickaxe is not going in my bag. Hold on. There we go. Alright, brother, ready to go? Thank you. Let's do this thing.
I found it.
Alright, let's go ahead and go in.
I'm so good at this game.
Nope.
No, he's cheap.
Nothing over here.
It's scary in here.
It is scary in here. She's coming, bro. Turn off your light. Turn off your light. Bro, this house is empty. Where's everything at, bro? There's a crate here. Oh no, I got a pickaxe. I'm gonna break it. Hold on. There it is. Break it. What did I get? A rocket and an umbrella. Are you serious right now?
That'd be
Painting! I found painting!
mine.
Bruh. Nothing over here.
Ew, why does it look like that? It's so scary. Is that a bomb? Can I touch it? Painting! Is it a scary painting or a not scary painting?
Hold on, I haven't touched these in so long. Do they still work? Oh, they still work.
Ooh, a painting. That's pretty scary. Help. Help me. Okay. Oh. I got scared. I got spooked, man. It's not like... Is that pink?
We got the key.
Yep, you got that. Nope, don't bring it over here. You got that, bro. You got that completely. I'm out, bro. You got that.
No, no. Open the door.
She's over there. No, we don't. I got stuck in a wall. Ooh. Oh, there's nothing over here. Ah, you got blue up. No, I'm not. It's a face! There's a face! It looks so scary. That's so spooky. Okay. What do I do if there's a face following me? Can I touch it? This mansion is so bad.
Come on, bro. We're gonna go open this door. Come on.
Come back! Come back!
I think you lost it.
Use that key.
I want to open it. I opened it.
What's down?
I think I'm stupid.
Yeah, I think so too.
I didn't bring anything in mind.
My bag's full.
No. Don't sell you. sucked. Hey, stop. There. Okay. Can you buy me a pickaxe?
Sure, bro. I got a pickaxe. Let me just put my stuff in here. Here is the pickaxe.
That's not a pickaxe, that's a stick.
Take your stupid pickaxe.
Hey! This one's gonna break.
Come on, bro.
Okay.
Did you die?
I think I died.
Well, get down here.
Let me get my grapple.
Bro, get down here.
I'm getting my grapple. My grapple is stuck on his heels. I'm trying to get it. Can you help me?
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Cause I found a bomb and I blew myself up.
can't get my grappler. I lost my grapple hook. I can't.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna sell this stuff real quick.
I could come real fast. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to go subscribe to KJX Gamers, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and make sure to like the video. So,
And I will be popping his YouTube channel on the screen right now, and show him some support. My fan code for Animal Company is KJX, and yeah. Stay tuned.
About to the new normal.